Most people think life after gray divorce is hard because of the big things: the house, the money, the legal process. But that's not what knocks the wind out of you. The hardest part is waking up one day and realizing your life no longer has shape. The marriage didn't just end, the structure of your days ended with it. And almost no one prepares you for just how disorienting that part really is. For decades, your time was shaped around another person: meals, weekends, holidays, even your sense of normal. After divorce, that structure collapses, and suddenly you're single and self-directed in a way you haven't been in perhaps decades. That sounds freeing, and in time it is. But at first, it often feels disorienting. Your nervous system is still adjusting to a life that just changed all at once. Too much space, too many choices, not enough emotional scaffolding. The early phase of life after your gray divorce is about rebuilding rhythm: sleep, meals, movement, social contact, work, rest. Boring? Yeah, maybe. But this is how your nervous system learns that your life is stable again. And before you ask, what's next for me? Your system needs to learn something simpler first. I am safe inside my own life again. That doesn't happen through big, dramatic changes. It happens through small, repeatable structures. And that, my friend, that's where you want to begin. Thanks for watching.